Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Captain here with another interesting update about the first Huawei P40 Pro. The photo is surfaced. The first live photo of the Huawei P40 Pro have been captured and published on the Chinese website Weibo.com. The original source is Digital Chat, who is fairly well known on Chinese social media as a teach leaker. However, the original post has since been deleted. Still, nothing can be truly deleted from the internet. So here are the photos as you can see on your screen. The first photo shows that the front of the phone, you can just about make out the dual punch hole selfie camera. The status bar is set to black and there is a case which mostly conceal the curves of the display. You can see side curve pretty clearly, but the top and the bottom side are supposed to be curved too. The second photo, as you can see on your screen, shows the back of the case, which goes to great length to conceal the camera. You can see the 3 or 2 flap used to hide the 2 rows of the camera hardware. The P40 is rumored to feature a triple camera system, the P40 Pro a quad camera system, while the P40 Pro Premium is expected to have a penta camera system, but the design of the camera section on the phone will apparently look one and the same between these devices. Following the launch of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, the first phone which was not able to offer full Google service in Europe. In relation of the US ban, we expect the P40 series will follow a similar path, running the company EMUI software over Android but without access to full service. In the future, either full access will become possible or the company Harmony OS will take over instead. The Huawei P40 Pro screen seemed to be slightly around at the edge as the Huawei P30 Pro was, and there is also punch hole camera cutout at the top of the left of the display, but the aforementioned total curved screen is absent. In fact, if this is the Huawei P40 Pro, it's set to look incredible similar to a range of phone coming in 2020. So guys, this is the current update about the upcoming Huawei P40 Pro. Let's see in the upcoming days. Hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.